guys, Happy New Year. Thanks for joining me with a quick get ready with me. First, we're starting with Primer by Makiage. And then we're gonna go in and start on the eyebrows. I use the Brow Definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony. Now we're going to go in with concealer by NARS in the shade Carmel. Now it's time to apply the foundation. Today we are going to use Doublewear Stay in Place Makeup by Estee Lauder in the shade Rich Caramel. All right, moving on to my favorite part. Time to apply the eyeshadow. Today's eyeshadow is by Morphe, the Artistry palette. We're going to start with the shade Grape Expectations, followed by Power Slayer. Now we're going to go under the eye with Grape Expectations. Here I'm just blending out my eyebrows so everything is nice and even. Here I'm a bit unorganized, looking for the brush that I need for this next look. Next time I will make sure that I have out all the brushes that I need. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the contour. I'm going to use the Cream Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the shades that I am going to use on the forehead and jawline area is shade Rich Earth. And then I'm going to go in with Carob along my nose. Once again, I'm using Carob on my nose. And then I'm going to go back in with the NARS concealer and highlight along my nose in the shade Carmel. Time to apply my blush, and I am using the shade Yara by Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Vol.II palette. Now to apply my lipstick by Milani in the shade Violet that I found on sale at Walgreens for $2.99. Y'all can thank me later. Time to apply my liner and lashes, and I'm back. Let me take this hair down so y'all can see what's really going on. Hi guys, Happy New Year. Thank you for joining me for another K-Slay for the day. This was just a quick get ready with me, so I hope you all enjoyed. I'm sorry it took me a while to post. I just wanted to get through the holidays. Very busy. So we got through the holidays, and so I'll be back posting more on a regular basis. Once again, thank you all for joining me. And please make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can always stay up to date whenever I drop another K-Slay. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.